Do you have a brand new 2024 Tesla Model 3 Highland and you may want to switch up the look of your wheels? Wham, 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 wham. EVBASE sent me 2 sets of wheel covers, some turbines and some Uberturbine replicas. I'm going to install them today and just show you how easy you can get them installed yourself. Amazon. Okay, so what is inside the box? Okay, so this is the turbines. You can kind of see them here. We had the turbines in our 2019 Model S with some 21-inch turbines. So these kind of hit home for me. Each one comes wrapped. Here, that one's actually been on the vehicle, but I'll show you what it comes out. So it comes a bit of foam inside. They wrap the connector here with foam, so it's nice and protected. It's interesting though, I'll show you the difference between the turbines and the Uberturbines. They're just different models, but they seem to have different, it's almost, I don't know if they're manufactured different or what, because these ones, let me get them out. We have to add a bit of a 2-sided tape on them, but the other ones don't seem to have to. Hold on, let me get them out of here. Okay. Caps, yeah, and double-sided tape. That's what I mean. So what they recommend is on each of the inside kind of rim here is to put this double-sided tape. And the reason being is that actually that's where the edge of the rim actually touches. So that'll create a nice soft, so the plastic doesn't scratch the actual rim. So, I mean, it's a good idea to put them on. I did just have them on the vehicle. They go on without it. But I think to preserve your rims, I recommend putting the double-sided tape on. It's nothing fancy. I'll show you. We just kind of cut it out and put it around the exterior. I'm gonna grab some scissors, be right back. All right, back, scissors, and this double-sided tape. Let's put it on the wheels. I'll show you really quick how easy it is. All right, there's one. You can see it all the way around. It took, I don't know, a minute or two. I'll fast forward this process and get the rest of them installed. All right, that's all 4 done. They give you lots of extra. So, I mean, just go nuts and apply it. If you mess one up, don't worry about it. Rip it off and you can get more. Like I say, this is after 4 and I've got maybe a quarter of the roll, maybe a third of the roll left. So, yeah, kudos to EVBASE for sending lots of this 2-sided tape. Okay, let's get them installed. I'll show you how easy it is to snap them on. All right, first things first, get the old ones off. You literally just pull it. It comes off very, very easy. I would recommend kind of giving this a clean, up to you. Okay, the only thing you really need to worry about is there is a notch right here which aligns with your air stem. For the wheel, you line that up first, and the rest pretty much lines up perfectly. Done. So I was looking through the bag and I noticed of one of the kind of the wheel covers, and I found this little kind of package. It's kind of just with, almost looks like masking tape with an EVBASE logo on it. And if you open it up, it actually has other wheel cap design options with the Tesla logo on it. Ta-da! All right, so I've got the turbines installed, but I have this one clip down here on this one cover. It doesn't seem to clamp on. I took the car for a drive just as I was recording that, and it kind of half came off. I'm going to contact EVBASE to find out what the deal is. Maybe I did something wrong. Stay tuned later in this video. I'll give you an update with what they recommend. Meanwhile, I'm going to take these off and I'm going to switch it for the Uberturbines. Let's check it out and see how they look. Same program, you just line up the where the air stem is, right? It's the only thing that matters. There. That's it. That's how easy it is. I'll get the other wheels done now. So quick update about the wheel cover that wasn't connecting. I reached out to support. They right away sent me a replacement one, which is amazing. And it even came with some additional covers so you can put your little Tesla symbol back on it. So let me snap that on quick just to make sure it works. And it's on, easy peasy. Sorry, I got them all dirty. So yeah, thumbs up to customer support. So one other thing I didn't want to talk to you. Hey, Abby, what's up? One other thing I wanted to talk to you about, which I only noticed after using these wheel covers for about a week, which is really cool. So here's the original, and then here's the cover for the 18-inch. What's interesting is the size difference. I mentioned that it covers the lip, but what that does is it actually makes it look pretty much like a 19-inch wheel, which is really cool. If you measure the diameter of the original hubcap, it's 18 inches 7/8. And if you measure this, you're more like 19 3/4. So you're almost a full inch difference, which makes the wheels just look that much bigger, all with wheel covers. It's super cool and a nice touch that I did not expect. All right, so you tell me, which one do you like in the comments down below? The turbines or the Uberturbine replicas? What do you think, Abby? Hey? What do you think? Thank you so much for watching. Thanks huge again to EVBASE for sending the wheel covers. We'll definitely try them both and see what ones we like the most. Thanks again, stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one.